Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Parts of speech. Parts of speech are 8 in number, that is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Once again, parts of speech are 8 in number, that is noun, adverb, pronoun, interjection, preposition, conjunction, adjective, and verb. The topic which we are going to discuss today is the pronoun. Pronoun with its types. So, a pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Any word which we use instead of noun is said to be pronoun. For example, Ahmad plays cricket. So, in spite of Ahmad, if we put the word he, so this he is pronoun. He plays cricket. Or Ahmad walks in the ground. So if we say he walks in the ground, so this he is pronoun. Or if we say Alia is coming, Alia, so this is female, for which we will use she is coming. So any word which is used instead of noun or any word which is used for noun is said to be pronoun. Then we have types of pronoun: possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. It is a word indicating possession. A possessive pronoun indicates possession. For example, this book is mine. So this mine shows the possession, my possession on the book. Or this pen is yours. Yours shows your possession on this book. His, hers, ours, theirs, they are all possessive pronouns. So a possessive pronoun shows or indicates possession. Reflexive pronoun. The easiest way to know reflexive pronoun is in the end of this pronoun there will be self or selves. Just look at here, myself. So here is self, yourself, himself, herself, itself, oneself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. With singular we will put self and with plural we will put selves. That is the main difference. So a pronoun which ends with self or selves is said to be reflexive pronoun. It is used when the subject and object of a sentence are same. It is used in the case when the subject and object of a sentence is same. So in that case we will use it. Reciprocal pronoun and relative pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun is used when two or more than two persons are carrying an action of some type with both receiving the consequences of that action simultaneously. This means when two persons or more than two persons are doing some action and that action for that action both or more than those two persons are receiving the consequences and results at a time. So this is said to be reciprocal pronoun. Keep it in mind, a reciprocal pronoun will always be in pair, each other, one another, etc. So reciprocal pronoun will always be in pair, and it is used when two or more than two persons are carrying an action of some type with both receiving the results of that action at a time. And you will also come to know that reciprocal pronoun that is in pair. It not comes in a single form. That is each other, one another, etc. Relative pronoun, that, which, who, whose, whom, where, when, they are said to be relative pronoun. Relative pronouns always occur in compound or complex sentences. They are not in simple sentences. For example, I saw a man. This is one sentence. The second is a man was a giant. Now we want to join these two sentences with the word who. So it will be I saw a man who was a giant. So this who combines both these sentences. So this who is said to be relative pronoun. I am going to the place where there is no person. That where there, that is also relative pronoun. You can come whenever you want, etc. So relative pronoun will always be in such sentences which are consist of two or more than two clauses. Demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Demonstrative means to point out something. They are this, that, these, those. This is used for the thing near to us and is singular. That is used for the thing away from us and is singular. For example, we say this is a book. So the book which is near to us and is singular, we will say this is a book. And the book that is away from us, we will say that is a book. These and those. These, the word these is used for plural which are near to us. The objects which are more in number and are near to us. And those is used with the objects or with the things or with anything that is away from us and is plural. For example, we say these are the books. The books which are near to us, we will say these are the books. And the books which are away from us, we will say those books. Interrogative pronoun often starts with WH word, so who, what, why, where, when, etc. That is said to be interrogative pronoun. They are always used in question sentences. Indefinite pronoun and personal pronoun. Indefinite pronoun and personal pronoun. Indefinite pronoun doesn't show any definite thing. It shows indefinite things. Indefinite pronouns are used for indefinite nouns. Through indefinite pronoun, we will not target a single object or a thing or a person. For example, if I say, you killed the snake, so this you specifies a person. This you is pronoun. If I say, somebody killed the snake, so this somebody doesn't specify any person. So this somebody is indefinite pronoun. If I say anything, so it doesn't specify any single object or it doesn't point out to any single object. So there is indefinite pronoun. Nobody, nothing, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, they are all indefinite pronouns. And personal pronouns are seven in number. They are used for persons. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. He is used for a singular person and that will be masculine. She is used for singular feminine. It means he is used for one person who is male and she is used for one person who is female. It is used in case we don't know the gender. Whenever we don't know the sex of a person, we will use it. And I is used for singular. It is used both for masculine and feminine. It is used for both for male and female. For example, a boy says, I am a boy, but a girl can also say, I am a girl. So, I is a pronoun used both for boy and girl, but that will be singular. We. We is used both for boys and girls, both for masculine and feminine, but that will be plural. For example, the boys can say we are boys and the girls can say we are girls. So we is used both for masculine and feminine, but that will be plural in number, nor not singular. You. You is used both for masculine and feminine and both for singular and plural. For example, we say you are a boy. We can say you are boys. So you is used both for singular and plural with male. And we can also say you are a girl. You are girls. So it is used with feminine in case of both singular and plural. They. The word they is used both for masculine and feminine. For example, we say they are boys or they are girls. So it is used both for masculine and feminine, but that will be plural in number. That is just the summary of the whole pronoun types which we have discussed. Look, this is pronoun type, this is member of the subclass, and the examples are here. So, possessive pronoun, they are possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Example is given here. Reflexive pronoun, I told you before that in the end of reflexive pronoun, or it ends with self or selves. Reciprocal pronoun will always be an a pair, for example, each other, one another, etc. Relative pronoun, that, which, who, whose, whom, where, when, etc. Just I've given you example before this as well, that it appears in such sentences which are consist of two or more than two classes. Demonstrative means to point out. They are four in number. They are the following. And interrogative pronouns often start with WH words and they are used in interrogative sentences. Indefinite pronoun doesn't point out any specific person. It identifies or it points out to indefinite pronouns.